Hello there, McDonald's fans. So today, in this unboxing slash review, it's the Witch McNugget. So let's give her a good spin. I might move the box a little. There we go. Alright, so let's just have a look on the back. Sorry about the issues with the camera quality, but that's alright. These things happen sometimes. We have here is Holiday Grimace, McBoo, McNugget, Mummy, Witch, and Vampire McNugget. Alright. Here's a side. Ooh, nice shot of the McDonald's logo in different styles. In very different styles. And here's the front of the box. Anyways, let's open her up. Alright, let's get her out. There we go. Alright, there we go. There she is. She looks beautiful. I just love the way how she got purple hair on it. There's the witch hat that's got the M McDonald's logo on it. Same thing for the cape. And yeah, she's also got a broom with her too. It reminds me of the Wicked Witch of the West from the Wizard of Oz. It's very cool, very well painted. So in my opinion, for this Witch McNugget, I think it's really cool even for Halloween. Even though it's not Halloween just yet. But still cool. Anyways, I do hope that McDonald's might bring back the Grimace Shake, along with introducing a new summer milkshake like Ronald McDonald's Orange Cream Shake. Yeah, it'll be very, very yummy and delicious. So anyways, what's your favorite food, drinks, and milkshake from McDonald's? I like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see some more videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I'll stay tuned for more videos on Tuesday. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. I'll do my best to do a great job. Anyways, I'll see you on Tuesday. And bye for now.